Hello, this video is about disease and infection and categorizing diseases as communicable or non-communicable, or you could say infectious and non-infectious. So most diseases you might think of when you think of illness would probably be infectious diseases. Things like the common cold or flu, influenza. Those are normally caused by viruses, bacteria, pathogens, could even be a fungal infection. And these sorts of things can be passed from person to person through contact or through sneezing, for example, and can normally be prevented, or you can do your best job at preventing them by thinking about like normal kind of precautions. That might be good sort of personal hygiene or from immunization. And if a society builds up a herd immunity to a disease, it can die out altogether because there aren't enough people to host it. Non-communicable diseases tend to be more formed off the back of lifestyle, which might be due to poor diet or living in a place with high pollution. You could develop lung diseases or heart diseases. You might develop diabetes. It could also be genetically inherited, so type 1 diabetes is genetic, and many other diseases are genetic. So that's not communicated. You're not going to catch diabetes from someone you sit next to, of course. They're non-infectious, but they are all the same potentially debilitating diseases. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.